Today, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill into law that he says would help families connect with their loved ones who are in the hospital. But it could be in conflict with COVID safety policies some hospitals already have. 10 Tampa Bay Shannon Close shows us why it's more than a policy for many families.
My husband, Steve, is 68 years old. He was diagnosed 9 years ago with Alzheimer's.
Steve and Mary have been married 26 years. Since 2019, Steve has been in memory care. She would visit him every day until March 2020.
The facility called me on March the 12th and told me you can't come back.
Immediately she knew she couldn't do that, so she asked for a job at the facility just so she could see Steve.
I had to be with him every day. And the days turned to weeks and the weeks turned to months. And out of the blue, his facility called me, the corporate office called me in June of 2020 and offered me a job as a dishwasher.
After 114 days, she reunited with the love of her life as a dishwasher.
He turned around when he heard me come in and the first words that he said was Mary. I was very worried he was going to forget about me.
Not being able to see him as his wife was troubling for her. So she went to Governor DeSantis.
Why am I allowed to touch my husband, to hug my husband as a dishwasher, but I'm not allowed to hug him as his wife?
That led DeSantis to sign a new law.
Protecting patients' rights.
Governor DeSantis signing the No Patient Left Alone Act. This means anyone in a hospital, hospice, or a long-term care facility can have visitors, something Governor DeSantis says he experienced firsthand with his wife, who is a breast cancer survivor.
If I had not been there, it would have been more difficult for her. I mean, you need to have the people that you love there with you.
Hospitals put strict guidelines in place in 2020 to slow the spread of COVID.
As much as we understand that COVID kills, we also understand that isolation kills too.
It's Mary and Steve's 26th wedding anniversary tonight, and they got to celebrate it together.
He doesn't know that it's our anniversary, and he doesn't know that we got a really big gift today in this new bill. But I know, and I know that I'll never be separated from him again.
Hospitals now have 30 days to develop a visitation policy allowing patients to have visitors. We reached out to our area hospitals who haven't sent us their policies just yet.